Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about last Sunday. Last Sunday I got to go rock crawling with my good buddy Nathan Cooley. He contacted me in the middle of the night and was like, dude, you gotta come rock crawling. I had no idea what it was, but I'm really glad I agreed to go with him anyway because, you know, I had a good time.
I'm letting air out of my tires on purpose, I promise.
We went to the Barnwell Mountain Recreation Area, which is basically this big off-road vehicle park where Jeeps, four-wheelers, and dirt bikes can be driven on any number of trails. When we got there, we had to fill out some waivers on the off chance we were horribly mutilated while trying to navigate those trails, and I was already a little nervous since the day's activities had been described to me as driving over boulders and doing things that you couldn't do in other vehicles if you wanted to. When we finally did set out for the trails, I got the same sinking feeling in my gut I get on roller coasters, though not nearly as strong as I do on roller coasters. And I don't handle those very well to begin with, so when it struck me just how far up and down we were going to go, I got really nervous. The trails are all rated on their difficulty, and when we started out with the low difficulty ones, I mean, those scared me enough to begin with. So I don't really have footage of the high difficulty trails because I was so busy holding on to my seat for dear life that I couldn't be arsed to hold the camera up. Whenever we'd finish a particularly challenging obstacle, we'd park and watch the others attempt it. It was a nice change of pace, especially after a really bumpy segment, and it was interesting seeing what it looked like from the outside of the vehicle, just the Jeeps going up and down these insane hills. And between trails, there were such amusing shenanigans as hill humping and driving through the mud pointlessly. I don't think Nathan's folks appreciated the latter all that much, but it was fun nonetheless. All in all, it was a great Sunday, and one of the most interesting ways I've ever spent an afternoon. I felt welcome, and even though I didn't know nearly as much about Jeeps as everyone else present, I never felt very out of place. The Jeepers all genuinely seemed like nice people, and I'm glad I was invited to join them in rock crawling. I'm going to end the video with a series of clips from throughout the day that I personally found impressive, and I hope you guys find them as interesting as I do. Have a nice day. What does that mean?
It's the difficulty. It's a 1 to 5.
Okay, what was the difficulty of what we were just on?
I don't think it had a difficulty.
Okay. So this is 2 levels from that. Okay, that's a little close for comfort. Whoa, okay. We are inches away from...
Alright, look. High ground.
Okay.
No. I think he's good. You're that front end twitch against the steering lock.
Hello, how's it going?
That drive shaft rubbing all those. Looks flat. Said, I'm the only guy getting stuck out here. Running against the rebel in your own
How's that?
Fred Harris pulled up.
Where's Eddie? I thought he was coming around.
Is somebody coming up here?
Yeah. Eddie was just right there. I think he's going. Yeah. Look out for the rock, Eddie. Look. Good save. That was good work. Yeah.
You want a cable on it?
Yeah.
Come up this side.
You don't need no cable.